Oh, we on? Right, okay. Right, the first circuit. First circuit for you guys, nice, short, straightforward, 10 down to 1. Okay, this is going to be 2 exercises. One being a thruster, one being a burpee, okay? I don't wear t-shirts. Take 2, right. The circuit, 10 down to 1, 2 exercises. Straight, simple, straightforward. 10 thrusters, 10 burpees. Repeat this process, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do this as quick as possible. Let's work that body to its full potential. Okay, that concludes the circuit. A nice little couplet, 10 down to 1, 2 exercises, thrusters to burpee. Let's smash this, yeah? Use all the effort you've got in your body, use that body to its full potential. It's perfect for if you've only got 10 minutes, 15 minutes at lunch. Let's get in there, in and out, and you're done. Remember, stay massive. Whew. And the second exercise. What's this? Oh, I've got to put this. Sorry. Wait a second. Oh, Monkey Nutrition.